How to use Walgreens Health app to set reminders just on your application or on the website here. So if you're using the application on your device, you just have to follow the same steps. I'm going to do it here. If you don't have the application, simply go to the Play Store and download Walgreens application right from here. As you can see, this is the Walgreens application interface that you can simply order prescription, health services, shop and save. So these all are the things you can simply do it. You can order medicines, you can order other wellness things just from this application. Now I'm going to show you how you can simply fill a reminder in it. So for this, I'm going to take a reference to the official website. Here is how to use Walgreens app for prescription refills and reminders. Simply, once you have logged into your account on the Walgreens, simply create an account or login. After that, manage prescription, refill by scan. Find the refill by scan option on the app's homepage or within your prescription section. Then scan the barcode using your phone's camera to scan the barcode on your prescription bottle. Now you just have to simply confirm and submit it. Review the prescription information and submit your refill request. Step 4 is set up refill reminder. This is the main thing we're going to do in this video. So access refill reminders, find the manage auto refills or get text alerts and refill reminders option within the application on the home page. Choose your preferences and then select alert preferences, like choose how you want to receive your reminders, for example text alert, push notification, etc. Option 5 is track the progress. You can check the status of your refill request through the application itself. And then the last will be manage family prescription. You can manage your family's prescription using a single account. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.